Now let's actually go about adding our shirt products. If you come into products, you can see add a product. And we're going to select product display. Remember, we're just using one product display to display all of our products. Now we could start filling this out, but you'll notice that we don't have a shirt size option over here. And we need that in order to be able to upload our shirts. And the reason is, when you're adding this product, it's adding a product variation type. We need to add a shirt variation type. So in order to get that to work, we have to do one thing. If you come into Site Settings, actually, you come into Content, you want to go to Content Types. There are different content types here, and you don't need to worry about this too much. We'll learn a little bit more as we go, but most of it you're not going to need to worry about. But if you come into Product Display and go to Manage Fields, you are going to look for a product field, this product reference field, and you need to click Edit. And when you scroll down, you're going to see product types that can be referenced. Our new shirt product shows up, but since we added it after the fact, you can't actually reference those products yet. So we're going to check that box for shirt and click Save. Now it's going to be a little different when we go to add our product.
So we hop back to the Add to Product page. We'll now be able to select, again, a product display. That didn't change. And then if we scroll down here, we'll be able to select which variation type we want.
Okay, so we're going to start by, now that that's available, we're going to go ahead and add a shirt. We're going to call this shirt black logo. We can give it a description if we want. And now we want to come down here and select that we want to reference a shirt product. And you'll see the first thing that is needed to be selected is the shirt size. And you actually have to create 5 different products. If we have all 5 sizes in this shirt, you have to think you have 5 different products in stock. One thing to keep in mind is you wouldn't have to have all 5. Maybe you only have a small and medium size of this shirt and you'll never offer those other sizes. But you have all the options that you created in the previous video. So we're going to go through and start by creating all of the sizes.
Again, SKU, you want to give just a unique way to identify this product. No spaces or anything like that would be allowed. Dashes are good. Price, we're going to set at $20 for our shirt. Activate the product, and then we're going to upload an image for the shirt. And there we go. Again, make sure your images are all roughly the same size for this. This is specifically important when you're adding multiple products under just your different variations of sizes. So again, now we have the small one added. We're going to add the medium and the large, extra large, and double XL. This is a good time for you to add those as well if this makes sense for you. Otherwise, you can fast forward the video until we're done adding these products.
One thing to note while you are adding your products is that each time you add a new size of the shirt, in this example, you have to upload the same image every time. And this may seem like it's a bad thing because it does take a little more time, but it also allows you the ability to have different images display when you select different sizes. So in this case with sizes, the shirt image is going to be the same every time. But if this was a different color, if they were selecting color rather than sizes, then it would be different and you would want the images to possibly show up differently. Now that we have all 5 products created for this one black logo shirt product display, you can see we have the black logo shirt title and the 5 different options that they will be able to select from. And then before we can save it, we have to select the shirts product category. This now gives us our shirt, and if we go under shirts, it now shows up there as well. And we're going to do some changes to make this look a little better, but we are now going to go ahead and add our other shirt option, and if you have other products that you want to add at this time, now would be a good time to do so.
Okay, now that all of our products have been created, we're going to make sure we click save and associate it. Before we do, associate it with the shirts product category and then click save. And now we have 2 different shirts. We have a black logo and a red logo shirt. So if we go to the red logo shirt page we're on, you'll see that underneath the shirt size label there, you can select different sizes. And actually what's happening when you click on those different sizes is it's loading that image you uploaded every time. So that is where it's a little bit more flexible. You could, in theory, have a different image for every one of the sizes. Obviously, for shirts and stuff like that, it doesn't make sense to switch it. The image should be the same for all the sizes. So there's that. And then if we go to our shirt category, on the top, we'll be able to see that there are now a red and a black logo shirt available for sale. And again, we're going to clean this up later, so don't worry too much about the way it looks. Just know that there's 2 options to choose from.